Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today is my last wash day routine before I take down my braids. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is to do a pre-poo, and the pre-poo I'm using is clay marks. Okay, so I'm using clay marks as my pre-poo before I start my routine. So clay marks or clay, okay, this particular clay can help in clarifying your scalp. Okay, can help in exfoliating your scalp, can help in detoxifying your scalp. It strengthens your hair, okay, and it adds shine. All right, so I use this as a pre-poo on my hair. Okay, when it comes in strengthening, it strengthens your hair and it helps it to prevent hair loss, okay, by clarifying your hair follicles. All right, when it comes in detoxifying your scalp, okay, it can help in calming irritation from your scalp. Okay, so this is so good for hair, and also is also good for your skin as well. So you can use it to clarify your pores, like, yeah. So love, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You can do this also on your braids. Like on my braids, I do a lot of stuff on my braids, so it does not hinder me from doing things on my braids. So I got a comment saying that it's not nice to do it on my braids, that it does more harm than good. But we are going to be seeing when I lose down my hair if it did harm to my hair or not, when I take down my braids, to see if I'm going to have a lot of hair loss or little hair loss. We're going to check it out when I take down my braids. But anyway, this is my last day routine of my mini braids before we make a new one. Yeah, so I have a hair goal in my mind, but right now I am trying to grow my hair healthy. Okay, I want to grow my hair healthy and stronger before I start aiming for the particular hair goal I want. All right, so this is why I'm on these mini braids. I promised myself that I'll do these mini braids for 1 year and see where it leads me to. So if it leads me to a good result, I'll definitely keep on doing it, then start achieving the length of hair I want for myself. Yeah, so I'm done rinsing it out, and this is what my hair looks like. Okay, so I used a conditioning shampoo to rinse it out. Okay, so I have a full video about this clay mask, is in the channel. Do want to check it out. So this is my hair right now before I go in with my deep condition. So as you can see over there, I still have like a white stuff there, so I'm going to rinse my hair again before I apply my deep condition. After this, my hair felt so amazing. I was feeling a tingling sensation on my scalp when I was on 45 minutes. When I carried this for 45 minutes on my hair, I was feeling a tingling sensation on my scalp. So this is going to help you to remove build up. So this is the deep condition I'm using. All right, so I'll do a full video, or I'll drop down a full video about this deep condition. It has a lot of powerful ingredients inside. Okay, so I just finished application and this is what it looks like. So because it's my last routine of this, my last week of carrying this braid, so that's why I'm doing this kind of deep condition. I know it's quite messy, right? So this is me. Oh my goodness, like the sensation I got from this, wow. Like I wanted to stay for 45 minutes, but I could not, because the sensation on this deep condition, oh my goodness, like I got a lot of hydration using this deep condition. Okay, so I am going to rinse this out, and I'll move to the next routine, which is my teas. All right, so the next day I did this tea for 8 hours, and the next day the full video of this tea is coming out in the channel. So I'm just showing you guys things I did for this 2 weeks, because I washed my hair and I'm going to be using this tea for 2 weeks on my hair. Yeah, so before I take down my braids. So loves, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. This video was post shot towards my towards February. All right, because 8th of March will make my hair full 2 months of carrying this particular braids. That will make it 8 months of doing mini braids challenge, and this challenge is so awesome. Why I love mini braids right now is that your wash day is very simple. You don't have to do a lot of detangling. Okay, you just wash your hair, deep condition your hair, rinse it out. No lot of detangling, like staying lots plenty hours in the bathroom when you are detangling your hair and trying to remove the knot and everything. Yeah, so wash day routine on mini braid is so simple. It's less time consuming. Yeah, so this was the next day. Okay, after I washed my hair previously, it's always the next day I go in with my teas, my oils, my butter, my grease, and I'll carry my hair. Anytime I hydrate my hair, I carry it for like 2 days or 3 days, depending on how the weather is that day, those days, then before I refresh again. So on this day I decided to bring in my my scalp massager. So in case you see it being a little bit faster, when I was doing this it was more slow, so I had to like fast forward the video a little bit. Yeah, so I use my scalp massager to massage my scalp and let all the blood circulation circulate well. Mostly you guys see me using my hand, but today I found my scalp massager. I was like, where have you been? I need you. So I'm using it to massage my scalp because I added my DIY hair growth oil on my hair, then I massage my scalp. After that I'll be using my Chambia 2000. Like, this is so amazing. Okay, so if you know me, I have been using Chambia 2000 for quite a while, so it's really good. Okay, it's really good for hair. I have seen a lot of improvements on my hair and on my daughter's hair as well, because I also use the Chambia 2000 on my daughter's hair. So I love the sensation, the tingling sensation it's always come out with. Okay, anytime you put it on your hair, you feel it after, maybe let's say like after 5 or 10 minutes, you start feeling that tingling sensation on your scalp, which it helps in promoting hair growth. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So in case you come across this my video, or you come across any my Chambia 2000 video, maybe I'm just going to be leaving the link so that you can see that I've been using it, because I got a requested video. I should do a well-detailed video about using Chambia 2000. I've been using it since I got it and I've not stopped using it. So it's really amazing for hair growth. You should give it a try, because I did my research, and when I saw that it has good review, I said to try it out, and I'm so blessed that I did. If this batch finish, I'm going to get another one. Yeah, so I'm done with my routine. I'm going to pack my hair like this in these 2 sections, just like this. This is how I pack my hair. I plait it and tuck my hair away and remove my hair from my hair for like 2-3 days before I go back into my hair again. Yeah, even my front edges now, I've stopped touching my front edges as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and I will see you all my besties in my next video. Bye for now.